Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork masala, only ways. Gather 1 kg pork, 2 onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and whole spices. Start by cutting pork into even cubes and drying them briefly. Toast and grind spices to release fragrance, then mix with yogurt and lemon for a marinade. Marinate at least 1 hour while prepping vegetables and equipment. In this video, I will explain how to make pork masala, only ways. Pat pork dry and score lightly to help marinade penetrate. Combine yogurt, lemon, garlic, ginger, and your freshly ground masala, then coat the pork thoroughly. Cover and refrigerate to let acids tenderize the meat and spices infuse flavor. While marinating, slice onions and measure oil for browning and sauce development. In this video, I will review how to make pork masala, only way. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long cooks, and it fits car cup holders perfectly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you make pork masala, only ways. Heat oil and sear pork pieces in batches to lock juices and create fond. Remove browned pork and sauté onions until golden, then add garlic, ginger, and tomato to build the sauce. Reintroduce pork, add a splash of water, cover, and simmer gently until tender and the flavors meld into a rich masala.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.